everybody. So today we are coming with a new video, and this is going to be how to do pork carnitas in the crock pot. It's going to be very simple. The biggest thing to keep in mind is how you season your pork roast before you put it inside of the crock pot. And what we have is a 7-pound pork shoulder blade, and my husband is actually going to do the seasoning for me. Usually when it comes to like really large pieces of pork or big pieces of meat in general, I tend to leave that up to him to season, and then I can cook it later. So stay tuned and we will show you how we do our pulled pork carnita. It's now 10:45. I'm changing the temperature to low from high. We're gonna have to cook this for another 7 to 8 hours. So at about 6:45, I will check on this again and we should be done. And the other thing I was gonna note was that we did not add water to the bottom of this. I didn't want to add any additional liquid. I wanted to cook in its own juices along with the marinade that we injected this pork with. So at about 6:45, we'll check back in and I will show you all the rest of this pulled carnitas as well as how to make a tostada. Okay, you guys, so we actually cooked this for 9 hours. Based upon the weight of it, everywhere that I pulled up, it said to cook it from 7 to 9 hours. So I went ahead and did the full 9 hours. It is now 7:45 and this is what we have. Remember, I didn't add any liquid to this. All of this is just juices and liquids that this created on its own. our tacos getting nice and cooled off. And I am going to go ahead and assemble a tostada. You can see it doesn't take very much at all for that meat to just fall right apart. Very tender, and again, we cooked it for a total of 10 hours, 1 hour on high, 9 hours on low.